Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today my recipe is beetroot leaf soup. The ingredients are quarter cup of beetroot leaves finely chopped, 1 small tomato finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of butter, 2 small onion finely chopped, and half a teaspoon of corn flour mixed with water. Corn flour and butter are totally optional. In a pan, add 1 cup of water. Add the chopped beetroot leaves, onion, tomato, and add all the dry ingredients: coriander powder, cumin powder, pepper powder, and salt. Mix it well, cover it, and cook for 10 minutes. Now it's cooked well. Time to add the cornstarch mix. Mix it well and allow it to boil for 2 minutes. Cornstarch is only to give thickness to the soup. If you want to avoid, you can avoid it. Switch off the heat. Now the soup is ready. Just add butter on top of it. Butter is totally optional. If you want to avoid, you can avoid it. If you want to give it to kids, you can add butter. Garnish with some coriander leaves. Healthy and yummy beetroot leaf soup is ready. Kids will love it because of the color and taste. Try this recipe, give your comments and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.